If your Apple Watch battery is suddenly draining much faster than usual, there are several things you can check before assuming the battery needs replacing. Step 1. Restart your Apple Watch. Restart your Apple Watch first because a temporary software process can sometimes increase battery usage. Press and hold the side button, tap the power button, and drag the power off slider. Wait about 30 seconds, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Restart your paired iPhone as well, then monitor the watch for several hours to see whether battery performance improves. Step 2. Wait after a watchOS update. If the battery starts draining quickly immediately after a watchOS update, give the watch a few days before troubleshooting further. Apple says some update-related tasks continue running in the background after installation and can temporarily affect battery life. Keep using and charging the watch normally during this period. If battery life gradually returns to normal, background processing related to the update was likely responsible. Step 3. Turn off Always On Display. Always On Display keeps the screen partially active when your wrist is lowered, which uses additional power. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, then to Always On and switch it off. Your display will then turn off when you're not actively looking at the watch and wake when you raise your wrist or tap the screen. This setting is particularly worth changing if you regularly struggle to make the battery last through the day. Step 4. Reduce background app refresh. Apps that refresh in the background can contribute to battery usage even when you're not actively opening them. Go to Settings, then to General, then to Background App Refresh, and disable refreshing for apps that don't need frequently updated information. You can also turn background app refresh off completely, although apps associated with complications on your current watch face may still update. Step 5. Keep your iPhone nearby. Apple Watch uses a power-efficient Bluetooth connection when your paired iPhone is nearby. When that connection isn't available, the watch may rely more heavily on Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity. If possible, keep your iPhone within Bluetooth range during normal use. This is especially useful if you have a cellular Apple Watch and notice significantly faster battery drain whenever you spend long periods away from your phone. Step 6. Turn on Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode is useful when you need to stretch the remaining battery through the day. Press the side button to open the control center, tap the battery percentage, and enable Low Power Mode. You can also find it under Settings and Battery. It reduces battery consumption by limiting or disabling certain background measurements, connections, always on display, and other features, although some notifications and functions may become less frequent. Step 7. Adjust workout settings. Long outdoor workouts can use considerable battery power because the Apple Watch may continuously track heart rate, location, and other workout information. On supported Apple Watch models, you can use low power mode during workouts and reduce the frequency of GPS and heart rate readings for certain outdoor workouts. This can be helpful for long walks, runs, hikes, or other activities where maximizing battery runtime matters more than collecting measurements as frequently as possible. Step 8. Avoid using the built-in speaker. On Apple Watch models that support media playback through the built-in speaker, regularly playing audio directly from the watch can consume additional battery power. If you frequently listen to music, podcasts, or other audio from your watch, connect AirPods or another Bluetooth audio device instead. Apple specifically recommends Bluetooth headphones instead of the built-in speaker when you want to maximize battery life. Step 9. Check Apple Watch battery health. Open Settings, go to Battery, then to Battery Health, and check maximum capacity. This percentage shows the battery's current capacity compared with when it was new. Lithium-ion batteries naturally lose capacity as they chemically age, so an older Apple Watch may not last as long between charges even when your settings haven't changed. A noticeably reduced maximum capacity can explain persistent battery drain that software adjustments don't resolve.